Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Teacher. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with anyone learning English. And if you've been following the Stop Saying series, well, today's one is a big one. We're talking about the word because. Now, don't get me wrong, because is not wrong. But if you use it every single time you want to explain a reason, it makes your English sound flat, repetitive, and even childish. Native speakers almost never say because all the time. They use tons of alternatives depending on the situation, tone, or level of formality. So in this video, we're going to learn 10 powerful alternatives to because, and how to use them naturally in everyday conversation. By the end of this lesson, you'll sound smoother, more expressive, and way more like a native speaker. Section 1WH. Why because sounds repetitive. Let's start with the problem. When you say, I'm tired because I didn't sleep. I stayed home because it rained. I'm happy because you're here. These are fine, but they sound like basic textbook sentences. In natural speech, native speakers vary their language to keep it interesting, emotional, or professional. So instead of just memorizing because, learn how to choose the right connector for the situation. Section to -10 better ways to say because. Let's go one by one, with examples, tone, and when to use each. 1. Since. Use when the reason is clear or obvious. Since it's late, we should head home. Since you're here, let's get started. Slightly more formal and smooth than because. 2. As. Use it in writing or polite speech. As it was raining, we stayed indoors. As you know, this project is important. Common in British English, especially in formal contexts. 3. For literary, formal. Used in writing or storytelling. He didn't go, for he was too tired. Sounds poetic or classic. Don't use it in casual chat. 4. Due to, owing to. Use with nouns, not clauses. The flight was cancelled due to bad weather. Owing to traffic, we arrived late. Business, academic, or formal writing. 5. Thanks to, positive reason. Thanks to your help, we finished early. I got the job thanks to my experience. Shows appreciation, optimistic tone. 6. Because of, still fine, but used before a noun phrase. We stayed home because of the rain. Don't confuse because clause and because of noun phrase. 7. Seeing that, considering that. Used when you're making a logical judgment. Seeing that he's busy, let's not disturb him. Considering it's your first time, you did great. Sounds thoughtful, analytical. 8. Now that. Used when a situation has changed. Now that you're here, we can begin. Now that it's summer, we can go swimming. 9. Given that. Often used in formal or careful speech. Given that he's new, he handled it really well. Given that we're short on time, let's focus on the main points. 10. The reason why is that, used for emphasis or clarity. The reason why I left is that I wasn't happy. Perfect for explaining motivations or decisions. Section 3. Practice and repeat. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence with because. You'll replace it with a better connector. Ready? 1. I stayed home because I was tired. I stayed home since I was tired. Two. We're late because of traffic. We're late due to traffic. 3. I'm happy because you came. I'm happy now that you came. 4. He didn't come because he's shy. He didn't come seeing that he's shy. 5. I passed the test because I studied hard. I passed the test thanks to my hard work. Repeat out loud with me. Pronunciation and rhythm matter. Section 4. Mini quiz. Let's test your understanding. Question 1. Which sounds most natural in a business email? A. We cancelled the meeting because of the weather. B. We cancelled the meeting due to the weather. Answer. B. Question 2. Which shows a positive reason? A. Because of. B. Thanks to. Answer. B. Question 3. Which fits best in this sentence? You're already here. Let's get started. A. Since. B. Because. C. Due to. Answer. A. Question 4. Choose the best sentence. I didn't go, for I was too busy. B. I didn't go because I was too busy. C. Both are correct, but A is formal. Answer. C. Let's summarize what we learned today. You don't need to say, because every single time. You have options, and each one changes your tone, formality, and fluency. Here's a quick recap. Since or as, polite, natural, formal tone. Due to / owing to, for nouns and formal writing. Thanks to, positive reasons, seeing that, considering, given that, analytical or careful tone. Now that, changed situations, the reason why, strong explanation. Start using these in your daily English, in writing, speaking, even texting. The more variety you use, the more confident and fluent you'll sound. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more daily English tips, and comment below which alternative to because you use the most. Thanks for watching Daily English Teacher, and I'll see you in the next lesson.